Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will gonna create a quiz using Quizizz.com website, and we will gonna assign it in our Google Classroom. First, let us click the Google Chrome and search for Quizizz. And you need to sign up or log in your account so that you can use the Quizizz.com. And let us click the dashboard. And here in the upper right side, there is a create a quiz, and we will gonna click it. And here you are given a choices for you to create your type of quiz, whether it is an assessment or a lesson. And for me, I will choose lesson. And here you are given choices also to create what type of test you are going to conduct, whether it is a multiple choice, fill in the blank, or passage. But for me, I will choose multiple choice. And here you need to plug in all the information needed for your quizzes. But I've already created a quiz, and I'll just plug it all in my flashcards. And that is all. And for you to mark what is the correct choices, you need to click this check button. And for you to assign what point or choose what point you need to give that kind of item, you need to click this 2 points, 3 points, depending on what you are going to assign. And also the allotted time for them to answer the questions. And let us save the questions we've created. And here, the first question. And if you want to add more question, just click this. Let's publish it. Name of the quiz, and that quiz is a biology, and let's name it cell, and the subject is biology. Relevant grade, and we will choose the relevant grade. Professional development, or should I say university. And here, if you want to add image to your quiz, you just click this, and let's publish it. And here you go, you've created a quiz in Quizizz.com, and we've already done creating a quiz in our Quizizz.com, and let's assign it in our Google Classroom. And click the assign. And here, you need to copy the join using link and click the Google Classroom and share to Google Classroom. And here, let's click the Google Classroom you want to assign your quiz. And next, name the assignment. And I will name it Cell as the basic unit of life. A description. Answer the following questions. Click next. And here you go. You've successfully assigned the quizzes to the Google Classroom. And let's check the Google Classroom. And here you go. Here is the quiz that we've assigned in our Google Classroom. I hope you learn a lot from my video tutorial on how to create a quiz using quizzes and assign it to Google Classroom. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.